Imagine a machine so advanced that even the greatest minds in science and engineering can't fully replicate it. A system that operates non-stop day and night without ever needing a break. It repairs itself when damaged, adapts to new challenges, and keeps everything running in perfect harmony. That machine, your body, every single day, your heart beats over 100,000 times, pumping life through a network of 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Your brain processes 70,000 thoughts daily, storing more information than the most powerful supercomputer. Your liver? It can regenerate itself, even if you remove 75% of it. But what makes these organs so extraordinary? How do they function? And which one is truly the most important? Today, we're breaking down 9 essential human organs, their secrets, their superpowers, and the mind-blowing ways they keep you alive. Get ready to see your body like never before. Number 1. Brain. Your brain is like a supercomputer, but far more advanced. It controls everything you do, from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and reflexes. It sends electrical signals through your body at speeds over 250 mph, faster than a Formula One car. With around 86 billion neurons forming trillions of connections, your brain has more processing power than the most powerful supercomputer on Earth. Ever heard of muscle memory? That's your brain mastering repetitive tasks, like riding a bike or playing an instrument. So you don't even have to think about them. It's constantly rewiring itself, meaning you can learn and adapt at any age. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Your brain itself doesn't feel pain. That's why neurosurgeons can perform brain surgery while patients are fully awake, talking, and even playing instruments during the procedure. Now that's next-level multitasking. Number 2. Heart. Your heart is the hardest working muscle in your body, beating over 100,000 times a day and more than 35 million times per year. It pumps nearly 2,000 gallons of blood daily through an incredible 60,000 miles of blood vessels, enough to circle the Earth twice. This fist-sized organ never takes a break, working around the clock to keep every cell in your body alive. But here's something amazing. If you removed a human heart and placed it in a nutrient-rich solution, it would keep beating on its own. That's because your heart has its own electrical system, meaning it doesn't rely on the brain to keep going. Want to keep your heart strong? Laugh more. Studies show that laughter boosts blood flow, reduces stress, and improves heart health. So the next time you hear a funny joke, remember, you're not just having fun. You're helping your heart too. Number 3. Ears. Your ears do more than just hear. They help you balance, detect direction, and even adjust to loud sounds. They capture vibrations in the air and turn them into signals your brain understands as words, music, or even a whisper. Inside your ear, the smallest bone in your body, the stapes, vibrates to transmit sound. And here's a wild fact, your ears clean themselves. Earwax traps dust and debris, preventing infections. But your ears aren't just for hearing. The inner ear controls balance, which is why you feel dizzy after spinning. Without your ears, even standing still would be a challenge. So the next time you enjoy your favorite song, thank your ears, your personal built-in sound system and stabilizer. Number 4. Liver. Your liver is your body's ultimate multitasker, handling over 500 essential functions every single day. It acts as a detox center, filtering out toxins from your blood, and as a nutrient processor, breaking down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. It even produces bile, a digestive fluid that helps your body absorb fat. But here's what makes the liver truly remarkable. It can regenerate itself. If up to 75% of it is damaged or removed, it can regrow into a fully functioning organ. No other organ in your body has this ability. Your liver also stores vitamins, minerals, and glucose, releasing them when your body needs an energy boost. And while many associate it with alcohol metabolism, it also plays a key role in immune defense, blood clotting, and cholesterol regulation. So, if there's an organ that never takes a break and deserves more appreciation, it's your liver, the body's most underrated powerhouse. Number 5. Gallbladder. Your gallbladder may be small, but it plays a big role in digestion. Tucked under your liver, this tiny organ stores and releases bile, a powerful digestive fluid that helps break down fats. Think of it as a fuel injector, delivering bile exactly when your body needs it after a meal. But here's the catch. If your diet is too high in fat, your gallbladder can develop gallstones, which can be painful and sometimes require removal. The good news? You can live without it. Your liver will take over bile production, but digestion might take a little longer. Fun fact, your gallbladder contracts and squeezes bile into the intestines after you eat, helping your body absorb essential nutrients. So while it's not the most famous organ, it's definitely a hard-working one. Number 6, stomach. Your stomach is a biochemical powerhouse, breaking down everything you eat with some of the strongest acid found in the human body, so strong it can dissolve metal. Yet, thanks to its fast regenerating lining, your stomach doesn't digest itself in the process. But digestion isn't just about acid. Your stomach churns food into a semi-liquid mush called chyme, mixing it with digestive enzymes before sending it to the intestines for absorption. Surprisingly, most digestion doesn't even happen in the stomach. It's just the prep station. The real breakdown of nutrients happens in the intestines. Ever heard your stomach growl? That's not just hunger, it's your stomach cleaning itself out with powerful muscle contractions, making room for your next meal. And get this, your stomach expands up to 5 times its empty size after eating, allowing you to enjoy that extra slice of pizza. So next time you eat, remember, your stomach isn't just holding your food, it's running a high-powered digestive factory. Take care of it and it'll take care of you. Number 7, intestines. Your intestines are the real MVPs of digestion, working behind the scenes to absorb nutrients and keep you energized. Your small intestine is a 22-foot-long nutrient-absorbing powerhouse, while your large intestine focuses on water absorption and waste processing. Together, they turn food into fuel. But here's something even crazier. Your gut is home to over 100 trillion bacteria, more than the number of cells in your body. This community, known as the gut microbiome, plays a huge role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Scientists call the gut the second brain because it produces 90% of your body's serotonin, the happiness chemical. Ever heard of a gut feeling? That's your microbiome talking. The healthier your gut, the better your mood, digestion, and overall well-being. So next time you eat, remember, your intestines aren't just breaking down food. They're fueling your body, protecting your health, and even influencing your emotions. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Number 8, pancreas. Your pancreas is like your body's sugar regulator and digestive assistant. It produces insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar levels. Without insulin, sugar would stay in your bloodstream, leading to diabetes and other serious issues. But that's not all. It also produces enzymes that break down fats, proteins, and carbs, making digestion smooth and efficient. Without these enzymes, your body wouldn't be able to absorb nutrients properly. Here's a crazy fact. Your pancreas sits deep in your abdomen, tucked behind your stomach, making it one of the hardest organs to detect problems in. That's why pancreatic diseases are often diagnosed late. Want to keep your pancreas happy? Limit processed sugars and eat a balanced diet. The healthier your pancreas, the better your body manages energy, digestion, and overall health. So next time you enjoy a meal, give a little thanks to this hard-working, behind-the-scenes organ. Number 9, spleen. Your spleen might not get much attention, but it's like your body's security guard and recycling center combined. It filters your blood, removing old or damaged red blood cells and recycling their useful parts. At the same time, it produces white blood cells, your body's defense army against infections. Think of it as a backup immune system. When harmful bacteria or viruses enter your bloodstream, the spleen jumps into action, helping you fight off illnesses faster. And here's something surprising. You can live without a spleen, but it comes at a cost. Without it, your immune system has to work harder, making you more vulnerable to infections. That's why doctors recommend extra precautions, like vaccines for people who've had their spleen removed. So while it might not be as famous as the heart or brain, your spleen is a silent hero, keeping you healthy and ready to fight off any invaders. Your body is an engineering masterpiece. Every organ works together in perfect harmony, keeping you alive and thriving. But here's the big question. Which of these organs surprised you the most? Was it the brain's ability to rewire itself? The stomach's powerful acid? Or the liver's superpower to regenerate? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing content. See you in the next one.